Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to add a countdown timer in Capcut. First, open the Capcut in your system. Next, drag and drop the video to the timeline. Also, add a video of stopwatch from your library to the timeline. Click on Mode from your right panel. Now, set it on Brighten. Arrange the position of text on your video. After that, again click on Mode and select Overlay. Next, click on Mask from the top and select Rectangle from the given list. Now resize it according to your text size. Put it on your text and make it fit on them. Now, click on the Play button. Now you can reposition the text if you want. Then click on Basic. Play the video, and as you can see, the countdown has been added. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.